5 tips for dating during coronavirus. Let's make the most of this time by seeing it as a chance to get better both personally and in our relationships, rather than simply get by. This is a strange time in history to be dating. If you're single and desiring a relationship, I know this can be a discouraging time for you. You feel like time is ticking and every day of quarantine is another stolen opportunity for you to meet and interact with someone who could be a potential partner. For those of you in the world of dating right now, I want to offer you a few bits of encouragement for dating during COVID-19. 1. Jump on the apps. If you've been app avoidant in your dating life thus far, now is absolutely the time for that to change. Business is booming on apps like Bumble, Hinge, Tinder, and OkCupid, so make a snazzy little profile and get to swiping. 2. Set up a virtual date. If you happen to connect with someone online, why not set up a little virtual date to meet? You could do this on FaceTime, Hangouts, Skype, Zoom, or whatever video platform you like best. 3. Get creative. But what about if you were kind of sort of seeing someone a month or two before the pandemic broke out? It's not enough to text and call and video chat and on and on and on. You've got to bring a little pizzazz to the experience. So, set up a virtual picnic. Write and send each other dirty Mad Libs. To that end, you've got to keep the correspondence at least somewhat playful. So, try to break up the darkness with a little light. One app you might want to use is Marco Polo. It's a video messaging service that lets couples, or friend groups, create a collective reel of short, goofy video messages. 5. Let's talk about sex, baby. Yes, sexting. A bit of a taboo topic, but one that should definitely be indulged if it's something you're into. I personally love it and find that it's an easy way to blow off steam, keep the sexy vibes alive, and unleash some grade A dirty talk. Do what feels good, and nothing more. For more dating and health tips, don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe us.